Now let us treat some past questions as regards this topic. This one states, the following are structures used for respiration in some organisms except A. Alveoli and lungs, B. Spiracle and trachea, C. Stomata and lenticels, and D. Chloroplast and plastid. The answer is D. Chloroplast and plastids. Take note of the word except. The rest are respiratory organs apart from chloroplast and plastid, which are involved in photosynthesis. Now the next one. And this question states, how much nitrogen is expelled from humans after gaseous exchange? A. 50%, B. 60%, C. 78%, and D. 90%. The answer is 78%. The composition of the percentage of nitrogen in air does not change because nitrogen does not participate in gaseous exchange. Now let's treat the next question. It states, the products of respiration in higher plants are A. Carbon dioxide, energy and starch, B. Carbon dioxide, energy and water, C. Carbon dioxide, starch and water, and D. Carbon dioxide, water and starch. The answer is B. Carbon dioxide, energy and water. The major product is energy. The waste products are carbon dioxide and water. Next. Now this question states, which of the following is likely to increase in concentration immediately after a vigorous exercise in a person? A. Lactic acid, B. Fatty acid, C. Acetic acid, and D. Amino acid. And the answer is A. Lactic acid. I told you earlier that lactic acid accumulates in humans after a vigorous exercise due to the shortage of oxygen. Now, the last question states, the only vein that carries pure oxygenated blood is A. Renal vein, B. Pulmonary vein, C. Hepatic vein, and D. Scarlatic vein. And the answer is B. Pulmonary vein. And the reason is simple. I told you that pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart, and it is the only vein that carries oxygenated blood. And with that, we've come to the end of this lesson on the respiratory system.